I am a principal at EPC Consultants, and primarily we do project management, construction management in the tunneling industry. So half of my career has been working for a general contractor, and then the other half has been on the CM side. I don't know how I decided to become a civil engineer. So it just, the industry is awesome. The people is great. We're doing fantastic stuff in the, here in the States, building a tunnel, for transit and, making the environment and, quality of life better. So it's just a fantastic job, awesome industry to be in. Oh, I've been a member of UCA, I would say, for the last 12 years or so, yeah. Ever since I was able to get to these conferences and, was able to have a company sponsor me to come, 12 years has been great. I've attended multiple sessions as far as the papers are concerned, great. Just networking, meeting, this, new folks and talking about different projects and some of the things that are coming up in our industry. I work for a small company. We try to bring my younger engineers here to some of these events, but some of the bigger companies, we need to get for them to bring these younger engineers, younger folks to get them exposed, get them really excited. As I recall, I used to work for a company, a big contractor. I'm not going to name names, but every year I would ask my boss, hey, can I go to one of these conferences? And then I was told, oh, we don't have the budget this year. We don't have the budget this year. So I learned that the hard way, but if we could get some of these younger folks, younger engineers, get them exposed, and it'd be great for the industry. My main focus, as a professional here in the industry, trying to motivate younger folks. For the longest time, here in these conferences, we don't bring enough young folks. And so it's a challenge and it's a problem, because you see these conferences, you say the same people over and over again, but we need to bring new folks. I'll give you an example. A colleague of mine, his son was about 16 years old, and I brought him to one of the tunnels and for Northeast Boundary DC Water. And ever since now, every time I see his father here at these conferences, he's always talking about it. So maybe one at a time, we change minds and hearts and try to get younger folks into the industry. Just break it down on individual basis. And if you know somebody's son, somebody's daughter interested in engineering, whatever engineering, just bring them to the industry, bring them into a tunnel, show them what the tunnel boring machine is, and get them going. And I think we'll make it one at a time, and then obviously doing it in a bigger picture. Some of these down for that Students Day for the moles, or some of these other programs that even going to local colleges and bringing some of those folks in showing them the project.